students, in last lecture we discussed Darcy-Weisbach equation in chapter flow through the pipes. Now in this lecture we will discuss Chase's equation in detail. Okay, so let's see first of all what we discussed in last session. Darcy-Weisbach equation. In Darcy-Weisbach equation we derived this equation that HF, which is head loss due to friction, HF equals to 4F LV square by 2GD. This was the Darcy's equation what we derived in our last session. And here sometimes this equation is also written as HF equals to FLV square by 2GD. Here 4F, that is F. 4F is also written as F or F dash, which is called friction factor, and friction factor is a dimensional less quantity. Okay, so now in this session we will derive Chase's equation for friction, head loss due to friction in detail. If you remember that there were two energy losses, major energy loss and minor energy loss, and major energy loss is due to friction, and which we can find out major energy loss or head loss due to friction by two methods, Darcy-Weisbach equation and Chase's equation. In last lecture we derived Darcy-Weisbach equation, and in this session we will derive Chase's equation in detail. Okay, so let's see. In previous derivation we have seen that HF equals to F dash into P into L into V square divided by A into rho into G. We derived this step in Darcy-Weisbach equation. If we replaced P, that is perimeter of the pipe, and A, that is area of the pipe. If we replaced P by A by M, so here perimeter divided by area, so P divided by area you can write as 1 upon M, where M, that is hydraulic mean depth. Now in this above equation, if you are making subject V square, then V square equals to rho into G into M into HF upon L. Here we replaced P by A equals to 1 upon M divided by F dash into L. If you are making subject V square, then you rearrange this equation like this. Now, if you are making subject V, then on the other side the term is in under root. So V equals to under root rho G F dash into under root M into HF divided by L. We rearrange this equation in this form. So here in this equation V equals to under root rho into G divided by F dash into under root M into HF into L, the first equation. Okay, where in this equation under root rho into G into F dash and under root HF upon L. Here HF divided by L is loss of head per unit length. What is HF? Head loss. And what is L? Length. So HF by L is a head loss per unit length, which we indicate as I. And under root rho G F dash, the first term is Chase's constant, which we indicate as C. So your equation for velocity become V equals to C under root M into I. Remember that we replaced HF upon L by I and root rho into G divided by F dash by C, which is called Chase's constant. So now this equation V equals to C under root Mi we will use for solving some example. Now we will solve some example based on Darcy-Weisbach equation and Chase's equation both. So let's see our first example. In this example, the water flows through a pipe 20 centimeter in diameter and 60 meter long with a velocity 2.5 meter per second. Find the head loss in friction by Darcy's formula and Chase's formula. Here F is given 0.005 and C equals to 55. These values are given. Now first of all we will discuss values one by one. First of all, water is flowing through a pipe. There is a circular pipe and in that pipe water is flowing. The diameter of that circular pipe is 20 centimeter and length of that pipe. The length of that pipe is 60 centimeter. So diameter we indicate as D and D is given 20 centimeter. And length is given 60 meter. Now velocity of water which is flowing in pipe is 2.5 meter per second, which we indicate as V. Here V is the velocity 2.5 meter per second. And find head loss due to friction. So here we have to find out HF, head loss due to friction, by two methods, Darcy's formula and Chase's formula. Okay. Here F is given. F is your friction factor, which is 0.005, and again C is given. C is Chase's constant. Now first of all we solve this example. We will solve this example by Darcy's formula. What is Darcy's formula? Remember what is this? HF equals to 4F LV square by 2GD. This is Darcy's equation which we derived in our last session. HF equals to 4F LV square by 2G into D. Now 4 is your number, constant. F, which is friction factor. The value of F is already given in your data, 0.005. Okay. L, that is length. Length is also given here, length 60 meter. What is V? Velocity. So velocity is also in this equation, 2.5 meter per second. D, that is diameter. Diameter of pipe 20 centimeter is also given here. If we are placing all this value 4 FLV square by 2 into G into D, then these are your values here, 4 into 0.005, which is your F, 60 that is your L, now 2.5 that is your V, divide by 2 G, that is 9.81, acceleration due to gravity, and D, that is diameter. Convert diameter into meter, which is 0.2. So your answer of FHF, head loss due to friction, is 1.913 meter by Darcy-Weisbach equation. Now HF, that is a head loss due to friction. In next step we will find out HF by Chase's equation. Okay, this is data given. L 20 centimeter, D 20 centimeter, L 60 centimeter, V 2.5 meter per second, and C is 55. Now we will solve this by Chase's formula. What is the equation for Chase's formula? Chase's formula, V equals to C into under root m into I. V equals to C under root m into I. Now in that equation, what is m? Hydraulic mean depth, and the equation for m is D by 4. D is your diameter. If we are placing that value of D here, then your m is 0.2 divided by 4, which is 0.05 meter. This is your value of m, hydraulic mean depth. Now V equals to C into under root mi. C, that is chases constant. In this equation, C is a chases constant. If we are placing all this value here, then I is V 2.5, C 55. So I is 0.0416. Now I, with just derived in chases equation, that I equals to HF upon L. I equals to HF upon L, where HF is a head loss due to friction and L is the length of the pipe. Now placing all these values here, I 0.0413, HF equals to HF divided by 60. So your HF is 2.479 meter. This HF is head loss due to friction by chases equation. And earlier we find out HF 4F LV square by 2GT by Darcy-Weisbach equation. So these are your two answers by chases equation and by Darcy-Weisbach equation. Now our next example is calculate the head loss due to friction using Darcy's equation. We have to find out head loss due to friction, HF. By which equation? Darcy's equation. And power required to maintain 50.3 liter per second of liquid flow through a steel pipe. The flow of liquid, the quantity of liquid, the discharge of liquid is 50.3 liter per second. Fluid is flowing in a steel pipe of radius 0.1 meter and length 900 meter long. Specific gravity of liquid is 0.7 and F is 0.0025. So now in this example, first of all, discharge of liquid is 50.3 liter per second. Radius is 0.1 meter. So radius R equals to 0.1 meter. Diameter, that is 2 times into radius. So D is 2 into 0.1, which is 0.2 meter. And length is 900 meter. So L is 900 meter. Here, quantity of fluid is 50.3 liter per second. Now, we will convert liter per second into meter cube per second. So, Q equals to 50.3. What is conversion of liter per second into meter cube? 50.3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So, Q is 50.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second. Now, what is equation for area? A is equals to pi r square. Now, A equals to pi and radius is already given, which is 0.1 meter. So, your area of that pipe is 0.0314 meter square. Now, we have to find out friction loss by Darcy's equation. So, Q, here Q equals to area into velocity. As we know that discharge Q equals to area into velocity. Q, we have the values of Q here and also we have the value of area here. So, your velocity is 1.6 meter per second. Now, the Darcy's equation is 4F LV square by 2GD. 4F LV square by 2GD. F, we already have the value of F, 0.0025. L, that is 900 meter. V, we just found in the above step, 1.6 meter per second. See this V. G, 9.81 and D is your diameter, which is 0.2 meter given. So, your HF is 5.87 meter. This HF is your head loss by Darcy's equation. Clear? 4F LB square by 2GD. We have all these values here and we just put that value in this equation. Okay? Now, here we also have to find out power. Power required to maintain the flow. Now, you have to remember the equation of this power required. Learn this equation. Remember this equation that P equals to rho into G into Q into HF divided by 1000. Remember this equation for solving. Example, power required P equals to rho G Q into HF divided by 1000. What is rho? Density. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. What is Q in this equation? Discharge. What is HF? Head loss due to friction. And divide this equation by 1000. So, rho, density. Here, specific gravity is given. Specific gravity. See in this data. Specific gravity is 0.7. So, density rho equals to 0.7 into 1000. 0.7 into 1000. G 9.81. Q 50.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 into HF, which we found there, 5.87 divided by 1000. So your answer for power required P equals to 2.03 kilowatt. These two are your answers which they asked in your question. HF, head loss due to friction by Darcy's method, and second is your power required to maintain this flow. So, this is enough for your today's session. Now, remaining examples and next theories we will discuss in our next session.